Hello everyone. Happy National Asparagus Day. So if you got some gas, you better check your aspara. I know, I kind of feel like a walkie-talkie in a pizza box right now, but I think I have the mind teaser of all mind teasers. I can go up and down at the same time, towards the sky and towards the ground. I guess the best way to say it, what am I? That's not, I hate doing it like that, but yeah, what am I? Leave it in the comments below and tell me what I am or what I could be. I got a 9 o'clock game tomorrow night, so I'm gonna have to go to bed at like 6 or in like 10 minutes. Hey bud, how was school?
Good. It's showtime. But first off, did you know
that is joke time? No, I'm sorry, I interrupted you. Go ahead.
Did you know that the average human can recognize up to 10,000 odors?
No way. 10,000 well, I guess they wouldn't tell you if it wasn't true. 10,000 odors? So what about Einstein? Can he recognize 15,000 odors? What about Bill Gates?
It's showtime now.
All right. I'm sorry. Okay, what do you got?
Okay. What kind of...
What?
What kind of...
Well, if it's that funny.
What kind of... What kind of... What kind of...
Well, now the joke's not going to be funny because you're laughing so much.
What kind of... What kind of animal likes to work? What kind of animal likes to work out a lot?
What kind of what?
What kind of animal likes to work out a lot? What kind of animal likes to work out a lot?
What kind of animal likes to? Oh my god. I have no idea.
A chimpanzee.
A chimpanzee? Alright, I like it. Season finale of Arrow is on tonight. I cannot wait. Season finale, or not, I don't think it was the season finale, was it, to Supergirl? I will say this though. I caught myself in the mirror, smiling for no reason. You know, in those few brief moments that you get. And then I realized I was thinking about my wife. What?
I can't bear it.
I got something. There are more collect calls made on Father's Day than any other day of the year. Hashtag, I don't know why, but the more you know. Oh yeah, look at that. Chicken, shrimp, and garlic bread. She's trying to butter me up for this so-called thing she's doing this weekend. Yeah, I know you, Mel. I know you. Guys, I just got the shirts ordered for the giveaway. We'll probably send those out on Tuesday. I am going to give you one look and tell me if you can guess what I want to do, if my wife will let me, for a challenge, kind of like a myth-busting thing. Does it work? It is called this, and I'm not trying to that with it. What is it?
Hopefully we'll be able to do that very soon, and give you guys some good tips on will it work or will it not. So from our side, I want to say hello to all our new subscribers. Thank you so much for becoming a part of our family, and please leave it in the comments below so we can say hi to you. I hope everybody's getting ready for a fantastic Memorial weekend. I've got to go to bed. I got a 9 o'clock game.
Yo, we get the baby and share.
And we will see you all tomorrow. Love you guys. See you.
It's been quite the rough day. I haven't vlogged today, so I want to say thank you to every single person with all your love and support and always being there for us, and especially in these times. So it's going to be a great weekend. I just got to get through this week. It's been a really rough week emotionally for me. I'm trying. I am trying. However, this is looking great. It's starting to heal up. Thank you to Lysine. Kind of healed it up within a week. I mean, it's been what, a week and a half, so that's exciting. It'll be nice and clear for this weekend. Anyway, love you guys. We'll see you guys all tomorrow. Ciao.